Square saying Zimbabwe, welcome to our channel, Zoom Confessions and Deep Secrets. Kana katika kutanga hapa ni channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Kana chukua subscriber, don't forget to comment and share this video. Nasi Zimbabwe takwigirai Nyaya buditswa na Nelson Chamisa. Nelson Chamisa wabuda achitaura mamiriro akaita zvinhu kuti ivo nebato ravo vamire papi mushure mekunge pane SADC summit yakaitwa musa 17 August. Ipapo a lot of people have been questioning Nelson Chamisa since what is next for Nelson Chamisa. Vamwe vachitaura ivo vachiti Nelson Chamisa akakuita bato reCitizens Coalition for Change mushure mekunge adya mari yakanga apiwa nebato reZANU-PF. So ipapo Nelson Chamisa angastataura, but now azobuda achitaura buda on his ex handle achitaura iye achiti the struggle for a new great Zimbabwe where we are. So Anzi, it has not been easy to stand for right, truth and the authentic alternative. I can understand the struggle fatigue. It has been a long, rough and tough journey, traveled fighting brutality and oppression. Struggles are never easy. It is a struggle, and it is not instant coffee or a walk in a park. Over time, a lot happens. Some fall by the wayside, some go offside, yet very few remain on side and inside. 2, some get genuinely tired, exhausted, and or get too old, yet can't let go. Some are disappointed, depressed, and frustrated at the delay in quick results. Some may resort to finger pointing and blame game as a post-election dissonance and frustration coping mechanism. Some are pretenders, infiltrators, and establishment collaborators who play for the other team, and they often shout the loudest. Some admire the opportunities offered by occupying office and being in government as president, MP, ministers, councillors, and public service. Some are content with benefits and privileges of power and position as opposition for life. Some are in it for survival and employment, escaping poverty, and never for service, change, or leaving a legacy. Some seek shortcuts, decide that if we can beat them, join them. So joining the gravy train becomes the easy answer. Some choose to disengage and pursue personal goals, interest, and business as private citizens. Some are perennial skeptics and perpetual cynics and armchair critics, the naysayers and doomsayers. These are a mortal danger to a people struggle for a better world. Some fight to the bitter end. These few are in it for the long haul, for service and for Zimbabwe and its people, and I'm proud to belong to this category. The struggles the world over, and since time immemorial, are always laced with multiple sorrows and discomforts, but ultimately victory kicks in. All this suffering is not in vain. We can't go through all this pain not to receive our gain and victory in due time. Hashtag New Dawn, hashtag God is in it. Ngezabuda chorwa na Nelson Chamisa on his ex handle muri Zimbabwe vachitaura ivo vachiti he will fight to the end muri Zimbabwe since he will not leave zvese zvakaitika izvi kuti zvingoperera mahara. Zvinomira mushe, a lot of people are saying Nelson Chamisa akapiwa mari kuti awanikwe achikuita politics muri Zimbabwe. Fuka Susan Mutama akabuda achiraya chiti Chamisa akapiwa mari kuti awanikwe achiendla the masses. Asi advisors zvakare na lawyer wa Nelson Chamisa vatabari mpofu vabuda vachiramba nyaya iyoyi vakakomenta vachiti they deluded themselves into believing they would succeed during the SADC summit, driven by a desire to discredit Chamisa rather than a genuine concern for the people of Zimbabwe. Now, having been humbled and brought back to reality, they continue to obsess over Chamisa, as it is only natural to fixate on the source of their downfall. Nightmare after nightmare. Ingozi, their disgruntlement is a self-inflicted wound, and their continued false rhetoric against Chamisa is a testament to their own hubris. As the Shona say, Pavira ngoma usiku urefu, dzinorema politics idzi kushubile. In the meantime, may all progressive forces unite. Abuda chitaura izvi zvino kunge pane rumors ekuti ana Charlton Wende had planned to make sure kuti Chamisa adonedzwa needemo mure Zimbabwe. Anzi they are the ones vaironga a demonstration vachida kuti mhosva izopiwa Chamisa mure Zimbabwe vanenge vachidiscreditwa. Hanzi now they are pushing nenyaya yekuti aba mari akaba mari nenyaya yekuti akadya mari mure Zimbabwe. Aendera mberi Tabani Mpofu achora achiti, if your argument is that elections are incapable of effecting change, then it's illogical to suggest that Chamisa should identify the next popular leader. Instead, the focus should be on finding a leader who can effectively dismantle the deep state. In that case, Chamisa's involvement is irrelevant and there is no chimuti for him to pass. Conversely, if you believe that a popular leader is necessary to drive change, then Chamisa is the obvious choice. Untimely, the choice is yours. Either acknowledge Chamisa's potential or abandon the notion that popularity is a prerequisite for leadership. Given, however, that your discourse is steeped in dishonesty, you won't see all this. There was a Buddha chitaurwa na Tabani Mpofu mure Zimbabwe. Tisingaziye kuti munoona sei nyaya iyi zvina kumira mushe mure Zimbabwe. Supporters Citizens Coalition, supporters Nelson Chamisa vanga vamirira kunzwa kuti what's next after SADC nofunga musi 17. The SADC regional body yakawanikwa ichiappointa President Mnangagwa as the new chairman of SADC mure Zimbabwe. Taura kwatiri kuita zvinomira mushe zviri kunzi ana Wende are trying to discredit Chamisa kuti vaonekwa vachimubvisa once and for all so that he will never appear on the ballot paper. Tisingazive kuti munoona sei nyaya yetudziro zvamunofunga pamusoro penyaya iyi mucomment section kuti political career yaNelson Chamisa ichiripo here kana kuti yafa. Tiudzei zvamuri kufunga pamusoro penyaya iyi mucomment section. Other Zimbabweans are saying Chamisa is not fit to fight Emerson Mnangagwa since the politics tacho hadzigone, but others are also backing Nelson Chamisa, the likes of Akila Vakabuda. Achitaura ivo vachiti there are people who are trying to destroy Nelson Chamisa so that vanoenda paballot paper ivo. Akataura example yenaupo chiuno zvinzopo chiuno naIbo Mandaza are trying to discredit Nelson Chamisa so that vachienda paballot paper ivo hanzi they are forming their own political party. So according to Tabani Mpofu, is saying kuti Chamisa is the only chance for Zimbabwe kuti ZANU-PF ibviswe pachigaro. Tisingazive munoona sei nyaya yetudziro zvamunofunga pamusoro penyaya iyi mucomment section.